Welcome back to another vlog.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you want?
Food?
Do you want me to make breakfast for you? I can make you some eggs.
I will eat the leftover doubles.
Aww. Wanna see your breakfast now?
So, update on our faces. How do you feel?
It feels good. It feels clean.
Hit me up, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna make a little pumpkin spice iced coffee for Beans. She's gonna try it for the first time. To go, so I'm adding my ice. Here you go. Homemade with love.
It tastes good though.
Thank you. You're lying. You're being serious. Oh, okay. Do you need anything in Gambas, huh?
No, I do.
You sure? Which one? Lights?
You don't seem to.
Trans? Aaron, shopping with me. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. So we now see Lasco has instant caramel chocolate mix and
French vanilla.
French vanilla. I'll be very honest, I never had Lasco before, so everybody just say Lasco. Come now, your childhood wasn't a childhood if you never had Lasco. That's what. Okay, so I don't know. You decide, honey. You get to choose one. It is $2.75. So she chooses the caramel. Okay. There you go. So far, this is like the best all-purpose season ever. Citrus accent. I don't know. This one? Update time. Are you having a good time?
Yeah, but
Am
so
I-
like I asked her to dye her hair, right? What
Color.
would look good on her?
I like black hair, to be honest.
Try something new.
I had a color in my hair already and I find it
was
didn't
blonde,
really.
and it was blonde.
No, it wasn't blonde. It was a kind of brown. I can't remember what
That's
kind
supposed
of.
to blonde. Talk about colors.
But I find like it didn't really make me look good. I look dull.
Why do the purple? My purple fails.
Let's see this one after Sarah. I'll go with this one instead. Okay?
Okay.
Error number 2. Error number 2. Okay, so we buy premium quality meat. We just see a sweet piece of drive from a truck driver. He's our boss. It's a pee. Wash hands. didn't. You didn't tell me I have a food place.
I click Barfi on her.
Are you ready to go home? Alright then. Come on here. Okay, well we catch that now. Okay, so we decide to make aloo pie. If you see the weather, guys, it is very sexy outside. It looks bright on the camera, but it's dark in real. So the rain set up, it's drizzling actually. And it looks like it's gonna be a very, very sexy night. We have a little helper. Digging out the eyes.
far. Don't stop now. Reaching for a distant star. Don't stop now. Isn't it strange how we're safe and home? Today counting days until the second call. If you're gonna break those shades, you have to let me know. Turn the shit around, start a top.
Okay, so we're gonna look for her Rice Krispies and her Lasco. Guys, before I go, I just want to remind you all, make sure and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And for those of you who are now joining us, welcome. Welcome. Trying to get a little light, right?
Subscribe and like the video, okay?
We're all in Australia again. Okay, yes, guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. What are you waiting for? Go now and subscribe, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time we post a video. In closing, I want to let you all know again, it is the beginning of the week. Stay safe, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and you will have a safe and wonderful week ahead. We will see you all in our next video. Bye! After 5 minutes, we still here all, yeah? And we finally found it.
Finally.
One, 2, and
looks like the best Rice Krispies. The chocolate one.
3.